Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam games won't download on your Steam client. So the first step what you need to do here is to basically sign out from your account and completely close your Steam account. And to do so, you just need to press on this little system tray button and then go to and press exit Steam. And after that, basically relaunch Steam and look if the problem persists or not. And also same with your PC, reboot your PC. Sometimes it may basically cause this problem and you can fix that with the simple reboot, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can go to Steam and then you need to press on settings. And then what you need to do here is to go to downloads, and then you need to go to clear download cache and then press clear cache. And after that, if the problem persists, try to basically change download region. And to do so, you just need to also go to settings, go to downloads and change region and try to basically download from start download from a different region. Sometimes there is server outages and you you're not able to basically download the game. And if the problem persists, then you need to basically repair your download folder. You need to go to storage, then press on three little dots here, then press repair folder here, and then press yes, right? And after you do so, if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to basically check if there is an update for your operating system and your GPU drivers. To do so, you need to just go to on search and then right check for updates, and on this window you need to just then press check for updates, and if there is an update for you on your operating system, you just need to download and install it, then reboot your PC, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending of course what GPU you're using, AMD or NVIDIA. If you're using NVIDIA, there is an app called GeForce Experience. You can download completely for free on your official NVIDIA website. And once you install it, then you need to go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so here. And also you can basically open up Device Manager and then go to Display Adapters, and then here you can update drivers through this, and then just press search automatically for drivers, and if there is an update, you will install it from here as well. And if the problem persists, then basically another thing that you can do here is to basically verify integrity of the game file that you basically try to install. So go to library, then locate your game, then right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, and then verify integrity of the game files, and restart your PC, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.